All right, everybody. A little quick shop update here. We got our antique porcelain light, barn light, shop light. We got it installed. I did not go with the traditional gooseneck because they're so expensive and I just don't know how well they're made. This is 1/2-inch galvanized water pipe, a little thicker. Hopefully it'll last, but there again, we'll see. So let's turn it on. There we go, guys. Don't got a bright light in there. I didn't want nothing too bright. It's just kind of for, you know, for nostalgic there because it's very old light made in the 40s. It'll provide some light out here. And I'll go ahead and tonight I'll turn it on and show you just how much light it does put out. That's 100 watt, but it's a soft light. So we'll see tonight what it looks like. All right, guys, here it is at night. I tell you what, I think we nailed it. Back in the old days when you pull up, you know, to a gas station or a barn, it wasn't a real bright light, but it was just enough light to see what was going on. And I tell you guys, I think we did good. Yep, I think we did good. I like it. Just enough light to see what's going on. Pretty bright, 100 watts. So yeah, get on back a little bit. Just reminds me of you know, back in the day. Nowadays, you know, you got the LED lights. They're so bright and everything, but I think it looks good, guys. All right, our old antique porcelain light, still doing the business. All right, guys. Catch you next video.